Hi everyone, Helga here. Today we're making something super unique, a 3D beaded sardine keychain. This tinned fish aesthetic is so trendy right now, and this little guy is the perfect statement piece for your bag or keys. For this project you will need size 8/0 seed beads, 3 mm, in white, light blue, medium blue, and dark navy, a few pink beads for the mouth, 2 black beads, and 2 flat round beads for the eyes, 0.3 mm gold wire, approximately 28 gauge. I'm cutting about 43 inches, 110 centimeters of wire, and folding it in half. Starting with the mouth, pick up 4 pink beads. Cross the other wire through the last 2 beads and center them. These are your first 2 rows. Row 3. On one side, pick up 1 white and 2 blue beads. Cross the other wire through all 3. Press this row against the first row. Row 4. Pick up 1 white and 2 blue beads again. Cross through. Press this row against the second row. Notice how they sit in a zigzag? That's how we build the 3D volume. Row 5. Pick up 1 white, 1 blue, 1 light blue, and 1 navy bead. Weave and stack. Row 6. Repeat the same color combo. Always add beads to the side with the white beads to keep the belly consistent. Now for the eyes, row 7, pick up 2 white, 1 blue, 1 flat eye bead, and 1 black bead. Skip the black bead and thread the wire back through the flat bead. Pull it tight against the body. Now add 1 light blue and 1 navy bead. Cross the other wire through all 5 base beads. Row 8. Repeat the eye process on the other side. Tighten everything firmly. The body. For the next several rows, use 2 white, 2 blue, 1 light blue, and 1 navy bead. Continue this zigzag pattern until you have 8 rows on each side following the eye. Starting the taper, make 4 rows of 1 white, 2 blue, 1 light blue, 1 navy, Make 4 rows of 1 white, 1 blue, 1 light blue, 1 navy. Make 4 rows of 1 blue, 1 light blue, 1 navy. Finally, make 4 rows of just 1 light blue and 1 navy. The tail fin. On 1 wire, pick up 3 navy and 1 white bead. Skip the white bead and thread back through the 3 navy beads. Pull it tight. Repeat this on the other wire. To finish, weave the wire ends back into the previous row, trim the excess, and add your keychain hardware. Your 3D beaded sardine is ready. It looks so fresh. Let me know what you think in the comments.